Alright everybody, in this video we're gonna be installing Maya. So first of all, what you need to have is the Microsoft document, the ID form. So when you just already install Office, which make sure to already have installed Office for Microsoft Word. So you're gonna open this document, double click on it, click enable editing here on the top to be able to edit it. So here you're gonna put the date of today. For example, I'm gonna put 10/24/2022, right? So then you're gonna put your full name. In this case, I just wanna put Osvaldo Webel. You're gonna put your name, make sure. Here you're gonna put the enrollment date. So for example, if you started the school like 3 months from now or like a year from now, just make sure to have to know when you started it. Let's say, for example, if I started like 3 months from now, today is we're in the 10th, so it should be like 3 months from now would be, I mean, back in the day would be 9/8/7, right? 07/24/ well, you just need the month and the year. So 07/2022, and the graduation date, you gotta count 3 years from now. Don't just go and ask the instructor when is my graduation day, just 3 years from now. So it will be 07 22, I mean 23, 24, 25, right? Then just click save. But we need to save it as a PDF. You do so by clicking File, Save As, or yes, Save As. You have here under this option, you can change the format. So we're gonna be looking for PDF here, PDF. And then you're gonna change here the name, where it says student name, just put your name. Underscore Webel. I'm gonna get rid of this part here that says all of these. I'm gonna leave it like that. Oh, actually, yeah, just leave it like that. Your name, last name, LFilm ID form, and then Autodesk. So save, and it should be saved, right? Make sure that it's on your desktop. So if when you are saving it, by the way, if it's not by default on your desktop, make sure when you click here, you're gonna click browse and you're gonna select desktop. That way it's gonna be saved there. Make sure here you can just change also the name. And get rid of the last part here. Not the doc, but just the word update. There you are. And you can just save. I'm not gonna click save because I already have it here. So this is the form we're gonna be using. Then we're gonna go to a new browser. I'm gonna open Autodesk.com. So here I have my browser. I'm gonna type Autodesk. Anyone that says Autodesk is fine. This one says Autodesk.com. It's totally fine. Just click there. And then you're gonna click sign in. I'm gonna create a new account because I already have one, but I'm gonna show you. Create account. Then you're gonna put your name, last name, email. So I'm gonna put this email that I just created for literally for this purpose. _4@hotmail.com. You guys, you're gonna be using your student email. Make sure to be using the student email here, okay? If something happened later on, just ask your instructor, but first of all, use your student email. So confirm email _4@hotmail.com. Then password, I just want to pick a random password. Make sure that complete all of those requirements for the password. So here you just need to agree. You can read the terms and the privacy statement, but at the end you're gonna click agree, and then you're gonna create an account, right? So you can save it in your browser. Here it's just telling you, hey, you want to receive information about new stuff. I don't, but you can leave it on. I'm gonna click done and uncheck that. Before going here, go to your email. I'm gonna go to my email in this case. You should have an email from Autodesk asking you to verify your email. I just wanna click verify. And then say, hey, you are done. That's it, you're verified. Good. So go to the website now. And here we're gonna go here where it says products. And then you're gonna go educational access. And from here, we're gonna have the products down here, scrolling down. You're gonna click here, get products. And you have all of the products here, right? Here's Maya. But before clicking there, because this part, for some reason, is sometimes a little bit tricky, but you just click get started. And Autodesk is making you like signing again for some reason, but just click it. And then you have your password, you can click stay sign in. Then here you gotta just put the country where you are. Obviously here we're gonna put, for most people it's gonna be United States, unless you are from outside the country. Then you're gonna put student, in your case. And then you're gonna click institution type. You're gonna go and click university. And then date of birth. You're gonna put your own date of birth here. I'm just gonna put 1 here. Speak some number here. Okay. Then here you're gonna put name of educational institution. So the Los Angeles Film. So when you click the Los Angeles Film School, it's giving you sometimes this changes. Before, like 6 months ago, or like earlier, or a year ago, sometime before this video was made, was like 3 other options or something like that. So at this point, these 2 options seems to be the same. Really seems the same. So I'm pretty sure it really doesn't matter, but I'm gonna click Los Angeles Film School. So if by any chance you don't get a good result like getting the whole way through, just click the other one. But I'm gonna click Los Angeles Film School. Alright, you click that one, and then I'm gonna just put like enrollment. It will be if it's 3 months from now, it's like July, and then 2022 graduation will be July 2023. It's 3 years from that point, actually. 3, 4, 5. So it should be 2025. So next. And then you say, okay, everything is set, continue. From this point is when you actually can get the Maya. So you're just gonna scroll down, just click Maya. Make sure that says only Maya, because I know sometimes there is another Maya that says LT. Do not click that one, no. Click only this one that says Maya alone. Okay, so we want to click this one, get started, and then in this part is just telling you to confirm your information. Hey, we just want to check if everything is right here. So it's gonna be everything is good, and then you're gonna click confirm. So I'm gonna click confirm. With your student email, you should be fine, and it should let you submit it. Usually here it's asking for submitting the form, but if it doesn't, just click confirm. Well, in my case, it's asking me. Probably if you have your student email, I'm not using an LA Film right now. That's probably why. But if it's asking you this part here, just click upload. And then when you click upload, it's giving you this section here where it says drag and drop. Just click there, and you're gonna go desktop. And you're gonna go where it says, you're gonna find your the ID form from the PDF that we have. So I'm gonna click this one here, open, and then you're gonna click submit, right? So we're gonna go submit, and then thank you, it's telling you close it. You should be able to get an email on your email soon, like in the next 20 minutes or even less. there you are. I got it right away. I mean, if it take longer for you, it's fine. But I got it there. It's telling you, hey, congratulations, you are eligible for getting it. So get products. I went to my email again and click get products just in case. And then you can go down and where it says Maya get started. Again, one more time, sign in. I know we sign in like a million times, but it's just what Maya is making you do. You are confirmed. Okay, get software. Click that button. And here, get product. Finally. Here we're going to be installing 2023, which is the latest. You can install all of them if you want to. You are able. You can install 2023. After you install it, go back here and install 2022. In case you want to see the difference between all of the versions. Here you have two options. Install or download. If one doesn't work, just try the other one. As simple as that. So I'm going to go for install. You click accept. And then it's just going to give me the exe installer. If you go for the other one that says download, it's just going to install the whole thing. You can see that it's heavier. It's 2 gigabytes. So you can do either way. So if one gives you an error message, just go for the other one, okay? Either install or download. So I'm going to cancel this one because this one worked. So I'm going to click this one. I'm going to click yes. If you see the administrator message, just click install. Here is some preparing the installation. So when this is done, I'm just going to show you. Give me a second. I'm going to pause the video. All right, finish like that installing thing. So it should pop a message in any second. Alright, just show this. Here just preparing to install Maya. I'm not gonna completely install it because I already have it, but I'm gonna show you the farthest point I can without installing it. So let's give it a second. It's preparing. And then he's just telling you like, okay, install Maya. You go and install, and then just make sure to all of this is checking, and then you're gonna click install. At the end of that, I'm not gonna click install because that's basically it. You just finish that. I'm gonna close it, and you should be able to have Maya. So the first time you click here, if Maya just doesn't open right away and it's just instead showing you this, it may show you a window that says sign in with your ID. You just need to click there and sign in with your student email, and then it's gonna let you start Maya. Okay, so when you click new, here on the top it should have your name. If you see a clock here, you have the trial version, and you need to do either repeat the steps or check what you did wrong, because it should have only your name. And if you go and click manage license, it should tell you like how far. Click here, it should tell you when it's gonna expire. See, I have like still more time. So this video is for like usually give you a year educational access. Then you need to renew it with the same form and everything, and that's it, guys. So that's how you get Maya. Well, so take care, guys.